Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculus limits can be tricky, but we will solve this jump discontinuity problem in under 60 seconds by analyzing the graph step by step. Let's go. First, we look for a graph where the function approaches specific values from both the left and the right at x equals 2, meaning the one-sided limits actually exist here. Next, we require the general limit to not exist. This happens when the left-hand limit and right-hand limit approach different values, creating a clear jump at that specific point. Finally, we compare our findings to the options. Graph A clearly shows a jump discontinuity at x equals 2, satisfying all our conditions perfectly. That makes it the winner. Nailed it! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the trap of skipping asymptotes and always check the jump gap on both sides.